Welcome to Opus by Epilogue Systems. Today, I'll walk you through how we curate content using Opus. As an Opus author, my role is to deliver high-quality, relevant materials that support our organization and learners to reflect evolving business needs. Our systems and processes are always changing, and it's my job to make sure the content we create keeps up. Opus helps me do that by providing a structured method for delivering content that meets quality standards and adapts as we grow. Let's get started. When content workflows aren't organized, updates get missed, and outdated materials stay in circulation. Without a clear system, it's difficult to keep track of changes or deliver the right version to the right users. Opus gives me a real-time view of all content in progress through the Opus Dashboard. I'm able to support authors, review assets, and reach out to Epilogue support when needed. In the Content Manager, I can edit documents, adjust attributes, and make bulk updates based on audience or title changes. Content is easy to filter, preview, and manage, all from one place, which helps ensure every asset meets our standards and stays aligned. The Opus project workflow is the heart of where our teams collaborate. It makes it easy to plan, manage, and maintain effective content. Project admins can define roles, assign tasks, set deadlines, and monitor progress to support organizational goals. Opus even sends automatic notifications to keep everyone on track. Each piece of content moves through structured stages: recording, editing, review, and final approval before publishing. The project workflow also enables collaborative roles by allowing project-based permissions to key players so they can record a process or provide feedback. All input is captured directly in the document before it goes live, making updates fast and traceable. In digital transformation, it's essential to know how content is performing and if it's driving the right outcomes. With Opus Analytics and reporting, I can track usage, content engagement, test simulation results, and pinpoint where users need support. I can also track content ratings, AI conversations, and content requests to stay ahead of what users need. Gaps can be identified and fixed quickly before they impact performance, and I get a clear view of my content's value to help my team focus where it matters most. Moving to Opus system configuration, administrators have full control over how content is formatted, shared, updated, and accessed. They can manage user permissions, customize delivery methods, and tailor the platform to fit organizational priorities while staying on brand. It's built to adapt to evolving needs at every level. Thanks for watching. Opus makes content curation simple and effective. With integrated tools for management, collaboration, analytics, and configuration, your teams stay aligned, your content stays up to date, and your organization moves forward with confidence.